Uyayazi nje umsindo kaPhepela phezulu kwendlu nizijampela amakata. Oh, uye wadlala idisk and definitely wakhotshwa uVoyivoyi. So wonke umuntu unama experiences are different. Wena ngifuna ukwazi ngiyakho experience. How was your experience ukukhula emndeni?
Mina firstly khulela family ye church.
Oh, all right.
Dala wami umfundisi. Then vele ngikhula idisk ngemncane.
Alright.
Yeah, level urenyiwa udlala ethimini kaVoyivoyi.
Ake zonke zasemndeni.
Yeah, ngidlala eclass from under 12.
Alright.
Yeah, till ngidlala development.
Wow. So manje under 12 uVoyivoyi is the first team oye wayedlala amaqala ukubona ukuthi aliqhabi idisk.
Ngidlala kwenye team ya like Aslam but kungasinto enjoy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because ibhaya mhlawumbe namapolitiki kuyaliwa.
Oh.
Yacaba mina ngikhulele endaweni eyi-1.
Sure.
Ngihlala phaya.
Oh. Is it not because mhlambe uVoyivoyi bekasifana kuBhakaniya then wathi angifuna ukuya la ngoba ama chances wami ukuthi ngidlale kuBhakaniya mhlawumbe angaba khona nyana.
Ngidlala kuVoyivoyi way before waba coach Pirates.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Dala man ngikhulela la sho ngifike la ngaboma 10 11 years.
Oh, okay. So at that age uVoyivoyi ulinda nje or so uthiketheke la.
Bekuthiki nje ordinary.
Ordinary nje ungabi nje intwana special.
Nah, next because been athlete before.
Oh, okay. All right.
Man.
Oh, from Eskela boyilezi
as a baller.
Oh, okay. So asiye kuba la nje kuma nickname nyanxa kuyiqala ngama nickname. So uthikithiki camera never lies. Amabhaya. Elipho lincanywayo niwathola kanjani wakhe?
Uyazi ama nickname awuzikhethile ugawa abantu. So angeke ngithi ngithanda nini. Ngiyaqhubeka nayo.
Because okay, sharp leli la kaThikithiki it's obvious mhlambe bodlala nje ngoThabo Monke but then camera never lies. Ngocabanga ngiphuma vale. Wale khona wayishanga evala bayibamba ku camera or something.
The nickname le ngayikawa uMax Mpunyana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sidlala ama playoffs eCape Town.
Yeah.
So interview like bambuza no leadership ubona kanjani. So i-answer abapha yona ukuthi kuyelana emakhamereni ngeke icama mama.
Oh yeah.
So kulala tsala khona ke sibathi camera never lies.
La stick nje from there.
Kanjani.
Okay, asiqale kula nje uVoyivoyi angithi intwana vele ukhulela emndeni uzidlalela idisk and then ubona amajidajima then you decide to join or mhlambe yakulala ukuthi intwana zona uzodlala kimi.
Mina wangilandela nje ngomtshela kuma parents ami.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay, so I'm getting a sense what the very family structure is supportive behind you even before ufika eriding in into ezinkre. So mawudlala kuVoyivoyi ndlala ama league wala eKasi and how do you then go to riding development Pirates?
Ukuze ngifike ku-Pirates lesidlala same league now.
Okay.
Then ngascoutwa out be coach Cosmos. Then I went trainer in Cosmos maybe for something like 2 weeks.
Okay.
But ngabona man la.
Yeah.
Because la mele ngisigibe i-taxi ngiyehle eCarlton Center, mele ngiwalke to Rand Stadium.
Matsapeshini side yeah because
Manje ngibuya ebusuku
yeah.
ku-train ethu. So ngayibona namdale ngeke ngisebenzele.
Yes.
Then ngahlangana nocoach P. Beka coach Pirates naye. My was ejimini Monday then sibona ukuthi lesinational.
Sure.
Azange hambise uVoyivoyi. uVoyivoyi sihlanganise sihlangana phambili.
Now uyamangala ukuthi awuyicela yapi.
Sifika kanjani? Ngitshela uDani ngize nocoach P sorry so. Then mangifika la baba na leading ngiyochange ucoach.
Okay.
Then lo coach engifike naye bamsusa kule division bekangilethe kuyo baletha uVoyivoyi.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's how saphinde sahlangana kanjalo.
Wow. Oh, at that time akazocoach uVoyivoyi sayakuthaba intwana yakhe. He knows yeah, sure. What was